Okay, this is going to show getting it ready to tune up. That's about 30 watts. That's when it's in the tune, so it reduces the power so you can adjust the plate and load. Okay, as you can see now, we're in the CW mode, and we've got the heater on, and I've got the meter set to the 300 watt range. Okay, and so the final step in tuning is to dip the plate and peak the load, and I've done that already. And I'm going to use the key, use the send button. Let me show you that. That's the send button right here. Send closes the key, and take a look at the meter. Like I said, we're in the 300 watt range, and there we go. Actually, I had that on a single sideband peak. This is average power. Let me try that again. It should hold it steady. There we have, see? About 100 watts. Might have to make a little more adjustment with the peak and the load. But yeah, it's putting out the power. I get great auto reports with the Sure 444.